In this video, Bitcoin has been consistently moving sideways for quite a time right now. But guys, take a look at this. We are now testing the resistance once again, and it's time that we monitor this next price action. Well, stay tuned to know more.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo.
So guys, sa restaurant na naman kami. Today we're at the Fat Seat in Bell. Here's Renee. Here's Ram. What are you having, Ram?
French toast.
French toast. What about you, Renee? Chicken wings. Today I'm having chicken wings then and Spanish latte. Oh. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And yeah, Bitcoin has been moving sideways for quite a time right now, and as you can see, this is what we have been monitoring for the past few days or past few weeks actually. And we have been just playing out that movement. And then for yesterday as well as the other day, as you can see, nag-move lang talaga siya, literally sideways. So, wala tayong mapiplay na movement sa ganyang price action. So, diba, lagi ko sa inyo sinasabi, if wala kayong matatrade, then tumabi muna kayo. And then, let's just wait for the next indicator to form. And thankfully, right now, we are starting to form new indicators with the Bitcoin price right now, both in the 15-minute time frame as well as in the hourly. So, with that being said, let's now dive into this video. And let's try to understand first the sideways consolidation. So, as you can see, if you're going to look at this Bitcoin price action, it's actually been moving sideways for a long time now. As you can see, we have just been consolidating between the 23,400 up until the 22,700. So as you can see, literal na sideways action lang tayo dyan. And as you can see right now, guys, if you're going to look at this in the early time frame, we are trying to break to the upside. As you can see, Bitcoin is trying to break the resistance. But take a look at this, guys. The last time na we did that movement, wala tayong nakitang buy volume, that led into a fake out. So right now, even though we are trying to break to the upside, we must take note na we must have buy volume pa muna in order for us to confirm this movement. Kasi if wala tong buy volume, then of course, this can lead into a fake out. Pero let's say we saw buy volume dito, then what we can actually do is we can actually open a long position once it retested the previous resistance as support, which is the 23,400. If let's say may buy volume siya, tapos na-retest siya, ang pwede natin gawin is mag-open tayo ng long position dito, then we are going to play out this movement up to the upside. But we are going to monitor the next target dito around the 24,000 if let's say we are going to see that movement with buy volume. But ito yung concern ko dyan, guys, kasi wala tayong nakikitang buy volume pa din. So in that case, ano ba yung pwede natin tingnan dito? Well, of course, we should always place a stop loss just below the 23.4. Siguro around the 23,300, that could be a good ideal stop loss if ever na we are going to open a long position. But if you're going to look at this within the 15-minute time frame, you can see now we are actually forming a ascending broadening wedge. And traditionally, an ascending broadening wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. So even though now we are trying to break to the upside sa ating early time frame, the 15-minute time frame is actually showing us some warning that this could be a potential bearish pattern forming. So in this case, how are we going to play this latest movement? So diba, sinabi ko kanina, if we're going to break to the upside, with buy volume, then of course we are going to open a long position once it retested this previous resistance as support. But if let's say wala tayong nakitang buy volume tapos it continued to the downside, then from this point on, we are going to wait for a bearish breakout dito with sell volume kasi meron na tayong sell volume. Then of course, we are going to open a short position dito kay Bitcoin. And then we are also going to target around the $22,900 kasi traditionally, the target of a ascending broadening wedge is the bottom of the wedge. So in that case, If this is going to break to the downside, then that is going to be our next trade dito kay Bitcoin price action. And take note, nothing is confirmed yet, not unless meron tayong candle close with volume. So take note of everything na mention ko kanina. Lahat ng trades na gagawin natin ay gagawin lang natin only if may volume tayo. So if walang volume, then we are not going to trade that. So take note, volume is what we need in order for us to confirm a move. And right now, I am going to wait for a candle close with volume dito, both in the hourly time frame breakout as well as the 15-minute time frame breakout. And para sa mga hindi pa marunong mag-long or short ng Bitcoin, you can actually check out this tutorial video on how to long or short Bitcoin with BYBIT. And if wala pa kayo account with BYBIT, you can actually use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. And also, do follow my copy trade account kasi dito ko i-open yung aking position if let's say we are going to see those bullish and bearish breakout. And my copy trade account is under the name of Gabs Crypto. So that is for the Bitcoin price action in the 15-minute time frame. Let's now dive into Ethereum price action kasi look at this. Ethereum is also moving sideways for a quite of time right now. And if you're going to look at the Bitcoin dominance is pretty much moving sideways. But if you're going to zoom in dito sa ating latest price action ng Bitcoin dominance, if we are going to get a bounce dito sa ating support area, kasi as you can see, we have just been bouncing within the support and resistance area ng ating Bitcoin dominance. If you're going to get a bounce dito, then that is going to indicate na altcoins are going to underperform against Bitcoin. So right now, we are going to monitor the Bitcoin dominance because if that is going to bounce, then it's more likely na altcoins such as Ethereum is going to move sideways. So for the time being, if umakit si Bitcoin dominance, then of course, we are going to trade with Bitcoin. Pero if bumagsak si Bitcoin dominance, then we are going to trade altcoins like Ethereum. And for now, as you can see, Ethereum has just been pretty much moving sideways. I know we are just seeing that massive consolidation between the support and resistances. And yung ating previous analysis yata kay Ethereum was this bullish divergence forming within the hourly time frame. Look at that. We saw that declining price. And ito, let's try to open that. Declining price while the RSI was increasing. So that is a traditional sign of a bullish trend reversal which has actually played out exactly as predicted na nga. So congratulations din guys if you have traded that. But for now, wala pa tayong swing tradable opportunity with Ethereum. So for the time being, abang-abang muna tayo with the latest price action following Bitcoin as well as the Bitcoin dominance. But anyway, ayun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.